Right now, we face two policy paths: a complete ban on all forms of online gambling or stricter and more effective regulation. Kung ako lamang po ang tatanungin, I stand firm on this. We must shut it down completely. Ban it, criminalize it, seize every server, and prosecute not only the operators but also the enablers in government and in the private sector. Nevertheless, as the chairperson of this panel, I will be open to hearing the positions of all stakeholders who are responsible and affected by this industry. But let this committee send a strong message. The Philippines will not be a playground for gambling syndicates. Whether foreign or local, legal or illegal, our youth are not for sale. Our families are not collateral damage. We are legislators sworn to protect the people, and in the face of this crisis, there is only one moral choice, ladies and gentlemen: end online gambling now.
Do we ban or do we regulate? This is the question before us. We have bills to outrightly ban and bills to regulate. What facts do we have on hand? The DOF position is not to ban online gambling, but to impose stricter measures and impose higher tax rates on online gambling. Well, madali na maintindihin yun kasi kung trabaho mo, palaki ng income ng gobyerno, yan ang focus mo. The position of those who are pro-gambling, just like government, is let's regulate. Regulate lang natin yan. Kayang-kaya natin yan. They argue that the gambling business will just go underground. But do we even consider that with technology, hindi nga ma-regulate ng maayos? We cannot even keep up. So anong i-regulate natin? Hindi naman tayo mabilis mag-regulate. Hindi naman tayo mabilis sa technology.
Online gambling is now a growing national crisis. That is why it behooves us to address this once and for all. And as this is more than just a game of chance, online gambling is a growing menace that threatens the very fabric of our society.
I would dare to say, my dear friends, colleagues, and the Filipino people, it is possible that more people have died and criminality has increased due to online gambling more than pogos. That is blood in your hands to the operators and regulators.